Hello and good morning all of you. So today we'll start exercise 5.1 of the exponent chapter. Okay. So question number 1, write the bases and powers of each of the following. So it is a very easy question. Only you have to write the base and the power. Okay, let's start. So here you can see question number 1, a is minus 4 to the power 6. So here base is what? Minus 4, and the power is what? 6. Okay, so in this way you'll write. It's a very easy question. Now d number is what? Minus 2 by 3 to the power 4. So base is minus 2 by 3 and power is 4. Okay, in this way you'll write all the questions. Now let's see question number 2. Expand the following. So expand means you have to write in expanded form. Here 2 number a is what? A to the power 3, b to the power 2, c to the power 5. So in expanded form, how will you write? A to the power 3, that means a is multiplied 3 times. So a is multiplied 3 times, a into a. And again b is multiplied 2 times, b into b. And c is multiplied 5 times, c. Okay, so this is called the expanded form of this question. So everywhere there is multiplication. If there is no sign, that means they are in multiplied form. Okay, so in this way expanded form can be written. Let's write this d number 3 by 4 to the power 2. That means 3 by 4 is written 2 times. Okay, now e number minus 9 to the power 2, that means minus 9 into minus 9. Okay, now question number 3, express each of the following in exponential forms. Now it is given in expanded form, you have to write in this short form. Okay, let's see. So how many times minus 2 is written? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times minus 2 is written. That means in short form, in exponential form, you will write this minus 2 one time, this is the base, and how many times it is repeating? 4 times. That means the power will be 4. Minus 2 to the power 4. Okay, these are the base, and the number of times it is repeating, that is the power. Okay, now see number question, minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, y into y. That means two things are there. Minus 4 you write like this, and minus 4 is repeating 3 times, that means power 3. And y into y, you write here y, and y is repeating 2 times, that means the power is 2. So minus 4 to the power 3 and y to the power 2. This e number a into a, okay, that means a to the power 2. Always remember that the same number will be the base only. Okay, same number. Now minus b and minus b same, that means this is the base. So minus b to the power 2, because 2 times it is written, and c is only 1 time. So it write here only c to the power 1. Okay, nothing is written in the power, that means it is 1 by default. I told you in the previous video. So it is a to the power 2 minus b to the power 2 and c. Okay, and rest of the questions you do yourself. Now question number 4, write the following in exponential form. So now you have to break this number and write in exponential form. That means you have to expand it. Now see, minus 27 by 343. So you have to expand it. That means you have to break this number. How to break this number? So the thing is, you have to break this number in the same number multiplication. That means the same number should be multiplied. Okay, so how to get this same number? You will factorize it, then you will get it. Okay, let's see 27. So 27 you will factorize it. So 3 9 ja 27, then again 3 3 ja 27, 3 9 3 3 ja 9. So it is what? 27 is what? 27 equal to, 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. That means 3 times 3 is multiplied, then we will get 27. So same number is multiplying, so we get this. Now again 343, the next number is 343. Now by what number you will multiply this? So 7. Okay, so it is coming as 49, and again 7 7 is 49. So 343 is written as 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 is multiplied 3 times. So same number should be multiplied. Okay, then only we can expand any exponent like this. Now write down here 27 is what? How many times 3? 3 times 3. So here minus is also there, so give minus also. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. And 343 is multiplied 7 times, 3 times 7. So like this. So this is the breakup of this number. Now how to write in exponential form, that means power form. So 3 is written 3 times. So minus 3 is written 3 times. So minus 3 is the base, and write here power 3. And again 7 is also 3 times written. So 7 to the power 3. Now you can see both the powers are same. Both the powers are 3 3. So you can write the common power. The power is common. So you can write 1 time the power, minus 3 by 7. Give the bracket and write here 3, because when the powers are same, okay, when the powers are equal, then you can write one common power for both the numbers. Okay, so this is the way of writing in exponential form. First of all, break the numbers by this factorization method. Okay, write down the number, then write separately, give the powers, and if there is a common power, then write one time only. Okay, but it is not necessary always the common power will come. Here sometimes 3, here sometimes 2 also, 5 also, different powers can be there. Okay, understood? Now see B number question, for number B. So it is 1 by 125. So 1 is what? 1 is 1 only, no another number is there, you cannot break 1. So write 1 only one time. Now how can you break this 125? Again factorize it. So after factorizing, what will happen? It will go by 5. So it is 25. Again 5 5 is 25. So it is written as 5 into 5 into 5. So 125 is written as this. So you can write here 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now 1 is 1 and 5 is how many times? 3 times. So 5 to the power 3. Now what you will do? You can write the answer, keep the answer like this also, or you can give like this also. Okay, 1 has what power? 1 power is 1. Here you can write the common power also, 3 also you can write like this, because when we write 1 to the power 3, then it is what? Answer is 1 only. That's why you can give any power over 1. Okay, because 1 is the number which you will multiply 3 times, then you will get 1 only. See, 1 into 1 into 1, it is coming 1. Okay, whatever power you can give in the 1, the answer is always same 1. That's why we have given here 3 also. Okay, so 1 by 5 to the power 3 is the answer. Now C number is 81 by what? 10,000. So first of all factorize this 81. So you will factorize 3, then 27, then 3 3 is 9, then 3. Okay, so 81 can be factorized as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times 3. And now factorize this 10,000. So factorize by 10. What will happen here? Is 1 0 0 0. Okay, again 10 1 0 0, then again 10, it will be what? 1 0. Now 10 1 ja 10. Okay, so 10 is how many times? 4 times. 10 is also coming 4 times. So you will write here 81 is 3 times, sorry 4 times 3. Now 10 is also 4 times. Now write in exponential form 3 to the power 4, because 3 is repeating 4 times, multiplied 4 times, and 10 is also 4 times multiplied. So now here power is common, so you will write like this: 3 by 10 to the power 4. Understood? So in this way you have to solve these questions. So try this D number and E number by yourself, and the next video will continue. Okay, thank you.